Good morning, people. Today is another day. Today is August 3rd, 2017. And we've been in Jamaica now approximately 4 days of our 14-day vacation in Jamaica. We've been trying to vlog while we're trying to vacation. There's been a lot of pictures, there's been a lot of videos, but not as much vlogging videos. The reason for that is, like y'all know, I've said before, I was born here in Jamaica. And while vacationing in Jamaica, I thought I could sacrifice 2 days of my vacation time to take care of some business that I've got here in Jamaica. And, you know, writing that down on paper, putting it together in a plan is one thing. Being in Jamaica and taking care of that is a total different thing, because I wanted to take care of 3 things on one particular day, and that turned out to be 2 trips to Kingston. Okay. Anyway, the most important things are already taken care of, so everything is good. Vacation is now in full effect. But each time I go to Kingston and we say we're going to vlog in Kingston, the heat in Kingston and us sweating like pigs, by the time we get to Kingston, we're so exhausted, all vlogging intention just goes out of our minds. So we're back down in the North Coast and Ultra side. We're actually staying at a place called Draxall. I'm going to take you guys out front. And for that reason, yesterday's vlog I had to turn into today's vlog. That's my little man there. He is chilling. He is watching TV. And that's Corey there. They're just waking up. Again, we did a second trip to Kingston and we were exhausted. Not as exhausted as we were before the last time, but we're still exhausted. This is outside. It's humid. As soon as I open the door, it hits me, just boom. But there you go. That's the villa that we rent. It's cool. It's pretty chilled. No complaints there. That's the neighborhood. All the houses look alike. Remind me of the Truman Show. But yeah, it's Jamaica. It's my home country where I was born, and I'm happy to be back here after 9 years. So yeah. Going to show you guys something fascinating, you know, that y'all right in the garden, in the front garden. Check this out, in our front garden. This right here, for all y'all who don't know what this is, believe it or not, it is what you're guessing it is. Right in the front garden. This is a marijuana tree. That looks like it's about 7 feet tall. But yeah, I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can have a good look at it. It rained last night, so the tree got winded. So here goes. Yeah, that's a marijuana tree. It got winded last night. But just like that, it's in the front garden. But this is Jamaica. Marijuana is one of those things that could just pop up anywhere in your garden, front or back. So yeah, that's that. It's really hot at the moment. So the plan is we're gonna go to the swimming pool today. And we're gonna vlog at the swimming pool today. There she is. Everybody's chilling at the moment. I think everybody's swimming pool ready. Is that right? No, not quite. They're not swimming pool ready yet. So in a few minutes. So until then, the next part of this vlog will either be us going to the swimming pool or us before we go to the pool. We bought some jackfruit, and we're about to eat it. So, but I decided to put it on the vlog so y'all can see what jackfruit is. Well, you're not gonna see it in its full effect because it's kind of pre-peeled. But I like when I peel it out myself, but I guess this is convenient for some people who can't be bothered with peeling out the whole thing. So this is the jackfruit. We're gonna open this and we're gonna put it in the plate and take a few pictures of it so you guys can see.
Hello people! Right, today it's a chill day today. We're staying in the villa and we're going to go to the pool because there's like a big pool for all the residents and all the people who stay here. So we're just going to go down there. And also we're going to check out the gym because they have a gym there as well. So I'm going to check that out too. You know, I've eaten a lot, so still have to keep trim. Or try and keep trim anyway with all this lovely food. Anyway, sunnies. Got my sunnies on today. And swimming costume is just a basic one. Cover up one really, if you want to call it that. So that's what I'm wearing today for the water. Yeah, my hair, I'm going to tie it up, so I don't want it to get too wet, but I think it will, so with all those kids splashing around. So there you go. Hubby's doing some updating, and yeah, all those vlogs and all those pictures that we've taken since being here. And we've only been here for like how many days? 3-4 days? Yeah. And we've probably got like 2,000 pictures already. But we can't stop clicking, we can't stop vlogging, can't stop, you know, filming videos, and the drone as well. We've got some great drone footage, so watch that and tell us what you think. Yeah. So, see you soon, see you at the pool. Bye! You at the pool.
So, the squatty is about to go to the community pool. Got Corey, who is buried into social network. Jay back there. And wife for life. We do what we do. Now we feel a lot more home from home because there is social network. There is Wi-Fi. We were without Wi-Fi for the last 3-4 days. Only got glimpses of free Wi-Fi when we go out into the town. Yeah. Spend half of our resort, our time at the resort. On our phone uploading and cropping and yeah.
That was some expensive Wi-Fi.
Exactly. That was some expensive Wi-Fi, probably the most expensive Wi-Fi we've ever had to use. But yeah. It's gonna rain on our heads. So we're taking this. It's a good little walk. 15-20 minutes. Not 15 now, it's like 5 minutes to the pool. 15-20 minutes, I would have turned back. Yeah, gotta keep our keep fit routine, even though all this sweating. No wonder there's not a lot of fat people here because the sun, you know what I mean? Yeah. Come to Jamaica. In particular, go to Kingston in the car, you know, with a poor AC system. You know what I mean?
We just want stuff in the back.
And some bad seats. You'll sweat. Yeah. Tall, good money.
Yeah. This car is nice.
Yes. Ready? Yeah. So people, we are now at the community pool. Been here for a minute, almost forgot to vlog again.
Yes. Having so much fun.
And then we decided, let's show not just our vlog at this community pool, but show the capability of this iPhone 7 Plus.
Yeah.
Because it's one of the phones we've got.
Two of those action cams.
Action Cam 1,
Rolling.
Action Cam 2. These are good for underwater.
Yeah.
Plus we've got
iPhone 6 Plus.
the iPhone 6 Plus, but we got like a protective case for it, even though it says to be water resistant as well. And we also got a iPhone 6, iPhone 6S. That's it. Anyway, we're filming with the iPhone 7 Plus and using its water resistance, which says it can go, I think, 40 feet underwater for about half an hour. So here goes test number 1. I was waiting for her to come back down. She didn't come back down.
I was gonna.
So,
Let's do that
listen.
again.
Okay, so we're gonna do it one more time.
I have to hold on to something too.
There she is, still
Stay
getting
down.
used to it. So, okay, people, we're about to leave the pool. Corey's over there. Says he's gonna air dry. Jay's there, towel dry. Wife for life. So, half hair, half towel. And myself, half hair, half towel. So we rolling up out of here. Just hit my leg on that bag. I guess the action cams are inside of it. So yeah, we are heading home. Another 5 minutes walk. Got like 2 more people coming to the pool, so time to go. You know, coming into the pool is okay, but it's just that you have to know a good time to come and get it. You know, so that's it. So for all our people that watch our vlogs or whatever is it that we do, thank you for watching. We're out here in Jamaica, St. Anne, just 5 minutes outside of Oterias. It's hot as expected, but good wind, nice cool chill wind in the air. I'm about to get inside though and eat myself some bun and cheese. We're doing it real Jamaican style.
Bun and cheese it is.
Yeah. So until we get in, we're gonna be chilling at home today, so we will be vlogging something later. So ciao for now, peace. You got all your dance moves from your dad then.
Crazy thing about it, people think I'm a dancer. They go,
That's
oh,
all.
you're tall, you're skinny.
That's all your dance moves, you know, just like 2 steps, right?
Yeah.
Let's go in the crowd.
This is my favorite one right here. That's it. That's all I do. Rocking all this ice, I'm just trying to calm my storms yet.
It's like you walk all the way down to the pool because it was hot, and then you get out the pool, and then you walk all the way back home. And it's hot. people. So, we've been back a while. I've been trying to update her laptop to Windows 10. It's not been updated for a while, you know, typical woman. They drive cars, but they don't know anything about the mechanics of it. So she uses a laptop, but she does not care about the mechanics of it. So that's where I come in. In the meantime, I was doing that. I decided to cook some food because this villa that we are at, we have to buy our own food and stuff, and that's the experience we wanted to have. So yesterday, I stopped at this supermarket in a place called Uwerton after we left Kingston. A dark, you know, kind of supermarket. Should have known something shady was with the supermarket. I bought me some cock soup, bought me some scallions, some thyme, some pumpkin, some carrots, because I had soup in mind, you know, and that's why. And I bought some flour as well, and I was about to make the soup, so I decided I'm gonna get my flour on, my dumpling on, and as soon as I opened the packet, there were like all these little crawlies coming out of the flour. I looked closer, they were like Weevils. So ridiculously, it was like 1K of flour, which I think is a ridiculous price. It was 200 Jamaican dollars, which equivalates to something like 1 franc, 30, 40, and that is too much. That is too much. That is even more expensive than Switzerland. Flour in Jamaica is more expensive than flour in Switzerland. So note that. That is a fact. I've experienced it. I've seen it. Anyway, so my soup is now boiling away, but there's nothing in the soup but carrots and pumpkin. So I'll take you guys so you can see the soup pot real quick. So I'll turn this camera around. There's my soup. Let me do a little stir. It's not looking bad. So, got me a Scotch bonnet pepper in there. Let me turn this down some. That's too much. Yeah, that should be good there. So, that's that right there. Soup is on its way. Homemade soup. Not with everything that I want in it, but there you go. Anyway, on Monday, even though we're on vacation, on Monday, one of the offices that we were at in Kingston, I met this girl who, well, this girl saw me with my camera, my Canon camera, and she was like, "Oh, I like your camera," you know, and she told us that she was getting married this Saturday, and people with cameras was charging so much. So I says to her, if you're suggesting that you could use my camera, I could do it for you for free. I wouldn't charge you anything. So I did tell her, I gave her my word that I would charge her and I would not disappoint her. But in the end, I have to disappoint her because this girl is ridiculous. She wants her wedding to be photographed. This couple came along, us, and said we will do it for free. Now, all she has to do is get us from our location to her location. First, she was trying to find the cheapest way ever to get us from where we are to where she is. And then, if that wasn't bad enough, she was suggesting that can we come into Kingston a day earlier and stay with our relative, as if she think we've got relatives or know that we have relatives in Kingston for her wedding. Now, you gotta keep in mind that this is a total stranger. We don't know this girl doesn't know us. Sometime the powers that be send people help. And people abuses that situation and not realize that it's an intervention. It's a help that does not come every day, and you have to value it. Well, she just ruined it because for the simple fact that she suggested that we should come a day earlier, forgetting that when we met her, I told her, I said, yo, we are here on a vacation. Jamaica, we have roots in Jamaica, but we're here on a vacation. We rented a villa, we are on the North Coast. We're here to have family fun, not to be photographing anyone's wedding to begin with, but we thought it would be a nice little thing to do. But she's pushing the luck, so we will just have to disappoint her and do our vacation because we don't know her, she doesn't know us, and obviously she doesn't respect that fact that I know people get excited when they get married, but you can't be that selfishly excited, forgetting that this family that you met are actually on a
Vacation.
we're on a vacation. We don't live here. So if she ever come across this vlog, then she will know the reason why we didn't show up, we didn't help, because as willing as we were, we thought I felt a little disrespected on that suggestion. I don't know how you actually felt about it.
I kind of like put a reason to it, but then it is a bit disrespectful. I mean, you're getting free camera service from us. This is free. We felt, it's your wedding day, you had trouble. We know how it is. We also got married before, and there was a lot of things we had to consider. And yeah, I know you're overexcited and you want us to know that we will actually definitely be there. And
I
things
understand
like
that. Yes.
But just take it that we're there to help. We're there to make your day better, and you don't know us, we don't know you, but
it was a favor. We thought it would be nice to extend, even though we were doing our vacation. But then, now we have to go back to being selfish. Well, not selfish. We came to Jamaica to enjoy our time together. Going to someone's wedding was not a part of it. So let's get things back into perspective. We're not here to discuss people's wedding. We are actually here to discuss what we do. And at the moment, we are vlogging. So, still looking at our computer. I've been doing Windows 10 for the longest. And it is at, let me turn around to see where it's at. It's at, hold on. Let me turn the camera around. It's at 59%. Don't turn off your PC. This will take a while. It has been taking a while. So, in the meantime, this is what we're doing today. It's definitely a chill day. We're not really doing anything of the sort of...
Oh, they went to the pool.
Well, we went to the pool, yeah, which we did do a little vlogging there. And we're just chilling inside. So nothing exciting going on here. We will vlog again when something exciting is